A new United Nations report has once again highlighted the threat posed to Pakistan by the Afghanistan-based terrorist organization, Taliban Pakistan. The report by the UN Security Council Monitoring Team on Afghanistan states that the TTP, with its several thousand fighters in Afghanistan, remains focused on long-term campaign against Pakistan. It says the TTP has benefited the most of all the foreign extremist groups in Afghanistan from the Taliban takeover of Kabul. On its part, Pakistan has already shared a dossier with the UN Security Council, containing evidence of financial and material support provided by Indian intelligence agencies to TTP to conduct cross-border terrorist attacks against Pakistani military and civilian targets.